Hi guys, today I'll be doing a quick unboxing on the iPad mini 3. iPad mini 6. So I just ordered this and it just arrived today. So let me bring this up, iPad mini. So look how small it is as compared to my iPhone. And this is my iPad. This is my iPad 2017 iPad Pro 10-inch. So let's put this aside. Try to open this up. So you see, I got the base model 64 gig. This is pretty cheap for the price for this A15 chipset. So let me try to open this up. Oh, okay. So I don't really need my knife. Put this aside. So what does it say here? It's using Type-C. Not much is being said about this, the feature. Okay. Wow, this is like so small. Very small in comparison. Maybe the size of 2.5 for this iPhone 11. Yeah, okay. Let's open this up. Looking at the button, there's I think this is the turn on button to turn on your machine. And the volume button is here, as opposed to all the one on the side. I think they have to accommodate the Apple Pencil to put it on the side. So I'll likely try using this to fly my drone and also do some light editing on it. And do stay tuned. I will show you some features of it later on. Let's see what's in the box here. Yeah, there's just some manual and also a USB Type-C cable. So nothing else. They didn't include a headphone, which I don't think they have a headphone jack either. No, they don't have a headphone jack. So yeah. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll do some tests later on. Okay, goodbye.